Well, the dogs still don't like me though, now, so you're still in good shape there.
No. Nutmeg got used to you.
I know, but she still didn't like me though.
So they'd keep her with us at night, right? She'd bark over there. She'd bark when she'd hear him come to the door. Oh, yeah?
How old are you there, doggy?
Is it gonna work, Ken?
We're back on base now in our backyard area, watching Ken try to put a pintle hook to his Jeep so they can tow his boat to wherever.
Now we're gonna buy some beer today.
Buy a bottle of beer.
And looks like everything is hooked up there pretty good.
Patsy, come here. Hey, we should stay down the lake longer. That's where they're heading.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I would have loved to see you guys try to sail on your boat.
You guys just came from traffic?
Yep, sure did.
Very many people down there?
They're starting to come in a little bit, you know what I mean, people eating lunch, doing a picnic or whatever the case may be. But we're just down there messing around.
Yeah, we're gonna go down.
There's a boat.
Try my anchor out.
I have no idea if you're going in tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta go in?
And there's Ken's Jeep.
Make it later. You can all get together. Brooks and
I'm not even yet.
last name?
Someone give me some new rolls and stuff here.
Yeah, DSB for nut
Try
shop.
to tie it. Tie to it. Oh well.
Oh, Pete, when you get a chance, could you help me lower the wheels on my lawnmower?
Driver, that's all
Little
he
bit.
does all day.
So I can try to get them little grass.
I was going to do that.
Oh, yeah, right. That's, get those things done.
Charlie's never home to mow the grass. You always say you're going to mow the grass.
Pepsi,
He leaves every week. There's only me left.
I know. Ken's the only faithful one around. Security police squadron keeps me pretty busy. I can't seem to get away.
Well, Tina, I think we're ready to try her, see what happens.
Well, you can get rid of all these people talking to you and interrupting you. You might get some good boating in today.
Might, at least an hour.
Now we just hope it holds. You think it'll hold? I mean,
Take the final pictures right now. If it don't come back, well,
You know-
some kind of memory.
we'll know what
Yeah,
happened.
we don't have insurance on it yet.
Let's see, the biggest contest is just to get to the beach, or shall we say to the lake,
Yeah, I
Ken, you
know.
gonna put
whatever the
the
case may
motor
be.
Yep, I'll put the motor down.
Okay, if it goes fast enough, it'll come down.
down? Yeah.
Uh-oh, yeah.
Oh, by the way, they just put some, like they're gonna tar the road.
Bobby's holding the
You know,
dog.
they're gonna fix our sidewalk. Are they finally? We put in that work order and they said it's gonna be fixed, by August 2nd. Let me go lock the door. You got everything off?
I think so, Dave. I hope so.
Well, hopefully you got everything together there.
I was just going to let that open like that so there's no excess water in there. Yeah.
Hey, why don't we wait till, instead of doing it at lunchtime, why don't we wait till later, like when these guys get off, and they can come join us?
Oh, well, I can't go tomorrow anyway. I got something.
I'll poop on you.
I got to put stuff.
Here, I'm trying to put you down.
Oh,
Yeah.
come tonight. Come tonight.
Steak's not good.
We'll lay it out in the sun. It'll thaw.
By dark, maybe, yeah.
I don't promise you're going to walk away from it not sick either, but,
Well, I know them damn flies and mosquitoes and whatnot are out there at night.
you know, that's why we stay on the ball. Keep moving. They don't
I don't blame
out
you.
there.
Keep away from those leeches and so forth. You know, those things are bad news.
Yeah, I hear that.
Well,
Yeah.
okay, we want you two to wave goodbye to all the folks
This will be our
there.
last farewell.
No, it ain't your last farewell
To our
now.
parents.
This is only the beginning.
I love you, Mom. Hi, Mom.
Everybody else tells their mothers and fathers to send money.
Mom, send me money.
That's a popular request.
We're on and sailing.
All right.
How do you know I watched
Film him watching the car now.
All right. We got Joe washing the car.
Come on, Cap.
Whoa! Barbara just gave him the ultimatum, don't you dare. Oh, there's Paul. You got him. Riding a bicycle. Thought you got away, didn't you?
Yeah, I was hoping.
Yeah, we got you, though. You didn't get away. And there's Paul, trying to get away from the camera, riding his bicycle. Huh?